In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Q990C and its best settings. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up this particular model of Samsung soundbar or how to set up any other one. They are going to be extremely similar, and by using the remote, you will be able to control specific settings related to the equalizer and then the levels of different channels. So all of this will be done using the controller provided. So by using the buttons in here, you will be able to select a specific channel, for example, side, as you can see here, rear side, and then change the value by going up or down. So you can set these values to positive or negative. So I'm going to give you general recommendations, but of course this is always going to come down to personal preference and the environment around you. So this is always going to be subjective. Take what I say here as a starting point and then do any adjustments that you see fit. For the equalizer, I would recommend leaving it on standard. In general, you don't really change the equalizer and the tone. So for the tone and the equalizer, you can just leave these be without any significant changes. Finally, for the subwoofer, this is recommended to be at -1. This is going to be the most subjective setting depending on the environment, so keep that in mind. Try -1 and make any adjustments after the fact. Now, for the channel levels. First, for the center channel, I recommend just letting this be at 0. You can also do the same thing for the side channel and the rear channel. So center, side, and rear should all be at 0, so no heavy modifications here. Finally, for wide, you will set this to +3, and for front, top, to +2. With these changes, the last two that remain are going to be rear top and rear side. Rear top should be set to +1, and finally, rear side should be set to +2. These general settings should give you a very realistic experience, and as I've said before, even though it is going to be subjective, this is going to be a great starting point. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up your Samsung Q990C best settings. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.